Hello, it's Julie Davison and Susan LaCroix. It's not Sunday, but we wanted to give you a little video heads up because we have a very special episode coming up and we want you to be ready.
It's going to be called Sunday Stamping Along with Susan and Julie. We had fun doing this after World Card Making Day. You all loved it as well, so we thought we would do it again. So we'll do this now and again, just to kind of mix things up. We look forward to it. We want to give you time to prep. So we're going to flip to our desktops so that you can see the card measurements for both of our cards and you can get ready. And you can always pause the video if you need to jot down these measurements. We'll also have them in the description, but some people are more visual like this. So here you go. We're really excited about doing this too. I think we've come up with some cute cards.
We have. Technically, we just filmed it, and I can tell you they are very cute cards. So just a reminder, if you're not familiar with the Stamp Along concept, we have each prepared and designed a card. We're each using different designer paper, different cardstock, different stamp sets. And so during the video, Mom and I will each be stamping alongside of each other, just like this. And we'll both be stamping using the same measurements, but different stamp sets. So we hope that you will stamp along with us using whatever stamps, ink, and paper that you have at home.
So we hope you will prepare some product and join us for Sunday Stamping Along with Susan and Julie this coming Sunday at 12 noon Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So be sure to set your alarms. Now you don't have to set an alarm. Just tune in and watch it.
Our better idea is to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on this special episode.
Yes, exactly.
All right, we will see you in just a few days.
Yes, we will. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, Jay.